In this video, I'm going to show you how I use content marketing and SEO to drive traffic to my affiliate pages for free. It's 100% free strategy and make sales of my affiliate products.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
But really, you can choose any product. It doesn't have to be affiliate. But in this case, I'm going to walk you through the affiliate setup. So in other parts of the course, when we talk about SEO, we talk about long tail keywords versus short tail keywords. To briefly explain it to you here, so I'm in the entrepreneurship niche. And if I made an article like how to start a business, I would never rank for that because all these gigantic sites would come up like entrepreneur.com and sba.gov and Forbes and all these guys and huge news sites. So it's an impossible keyword. But the example I'm going to show you is how to start a cheese store or cheese shop, whatever. I rank for both of these keywords. This is a very what's called long tail keyword. It's a less popular keyword, has less demand, but it does have some demand and not bad demand. But I can realistically rank for it. So what happened was I did rank for it. So this is a long time ago. I created this 2014. So it's ages ago and I'm still number 4. So it's quite good. And I did an interview with somebody who actually started a gourmet cheese shop. That's where this interview is from. So it's an older post, but it's still ranking. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it. This is my page. And what you're going to see is that if I search for something like website, you see somewhere on this page, I talk about all these things in the interview, but somewhere on the page, I talk about how to create a website for a cheese shop. Oh, a website. So this could be directly a link to my Bluehost affiliate link so that if they go there, I will get the referral. In this particular case, I actually linked my landing page that I'm going to click in a second. But before I do that, what I wanted to show you is this is a content page. It's an article. The people who come here, they come here to learn about how to start a gourmet shop. So you can create pages on a million different topics within your niche, long tail topics that you have a chance to rank for. And then you would create good content. You see here it's a lot, I don't know if it's good content, like it's a judgment call, but I have text, I have videos, I have subsections, I have different perspectives on it. And when we talk about SEO in this course, you'll see how this is actually valuable. And there's a lot of things like costs, permits. You see, I really cover the subject in depth. So at one point, one of the topics, as a part of the value of this page, I talk about how to create a website, right? So it's actually a fit. So when you have a content article like this section is a fit. It helps the reader. On the other hand, when I click this is a straightforward tutorial how to set up your website in one day and get a free domain name. That's it. And so this is more like a landing page. A landing page usually wouldn't have a navigation and it usually wouldn't have a lot of links to distract. For example, like on the bottom here, I have another navigation. The reason I have that is because it's a part of my site. In your case, you want to have no links pointing externally because the only thing you want to do is for the person to start reading. And you see at some point here, get hosting and a free domain name. And then I have this link here, sign up for web hosting with Bluehost and get a free domain name. And you see it's going to, if you look at the very bottom, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on your screen, but at the very bottom left in very tiny code, you see that the link that is shown there is bluehost.com/track/Genadinik, which is my account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click there and it's going to take me to the sales page, right? So usually it wouldn't take me, it would take my clients here. And if they sign up, I believe it takes 2 weeks for you to get credited with the affiliate commission because Bluehost has a 2-week free trial or something like this. But if they sign up, essentially I get the commission. So what I went over is how to use long tail SEO to get traffic and then how to promote to that traffic and then 2 different kinds of pages. A blog post, like a tutorial page, like we saw in the first example. And this is a more straightforward landing page for here's how you set up your WordPress website. And boom, here is the link to sign up for the WordPress website. So 2 different kinds of pages. that you can use to promote your affiliate links for free using SEO and essentially creating content, which is called content marketing.